So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can convert your PDF to images. So you see this one is the PDF. I want to convert this PDF to images. So you have seen many videos, they tell you how to convert images to PDF, but no one tell you how to convert images to PDF in free of cost. So I will tell you, don't worry. So at first you have to go to your app store and you have to search for this app, my PDF editor. It's free of cost for iPhone and iPad. It will work in both of the devices, so no worry. Now open it after installing the app. Scroll down, there will be option. Yes, there is this option, PDF to JPG. Click on this. Now choose PDF. You have to choose your PDF file. Now simply select your PDF file, and there you see this one is the PDF file. What you have to do is you have to click on this save to photos, allow. Now it's all done, click on done. Now I will take you to gallery. Now you see this, our PDF is successfully converted to images. You see this, the images that's there in the PDF. We have split the images. So pretty easy, you just need this app and it's all done. It's free of cost. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it, thank you and bye bye.